Hi guys, welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and I hope that you guys are having a great week. I know I'm excited to be reading to you today, and I hope you're excited to listen to our stories. I will have two stories for you, and then we will sing some songs like we do each week. So let's get started. The first story is called That's Not Mine. This is a story all about sharing. Do you like to share? Sometimes sharing can be hard because if we want to use something, we might not feel like letting someone else use it. And if you're at home, maybe you have to share with your siblings, maybe you have to share with your pets. So, this is something that we should always be practicing. That's not mine. And you might recognize these characters. I think we read another story with them a few months ago. That's Not Mine by Anna Kang and illustrated by Christopher Weyant. That's not mine. That's my chair. No, it's mine. I was sitting in it before. I'm sitting in it now. I had it first. It's mine. I have it now. It's mine. Squeakity, squeakity, squeakity. Well, this is mine. Swivel, swivel. Can I try it? Swivel, swivel. No, it's mine. Please, just once. Okay, just once. Fling! Uh-oh. What do you think the bear is gonna do? That doesn't look like it's gonna end up well. Zoom! Crash! Hey, that's my chair. No, it's mine. Tickle, tickle. Who do you think is holding the feather? Mine. Wow, that bear tricked him. That was not very nice. Mine. 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 Get up. It's mine. Go away. It's mine. Look at this one. That just made me laugh. He's lying on top of it. It's mine! And look, they have 3 exclamation marks. That means they are really, really shouting this. Whoa. I'm sorry. Me too. Want to go play? Yeah! Here comes another friend. Mine. The end. So, did they learn to share by the end of the story? I think they did. And it's always good to learn an important lesson like sharing. Our next story is about a boy and his elephant. And it is called Strictly No Elephants by Linda Mantchev and illustrated by Taeyeon Yu. Strictly No Elephants. I love this illustration of the elephant holding his umbrella with his trunk. Strictly no elephants. That means absolutely no elephants. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. What are some of the other pets you see? I see a cat and a bird and some dogs, but he's the only one with an elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. There's that picture with the trunk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do, lift each other over the cracks. That boy must be very strong to pick up an elephant. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day and everyone will be there. There they all go, walking their pets. Come along, there's a good boy. I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. What do you think the sign says? Could it be the sign from the front of the book? Strictly no elephants. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do, brave the scary things for you. How do you think they're feeling because they can't go to the pet club? They look pretty sad to me. There they are, walking in the rain. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I said, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl says, but they don't want to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell them. So he met someone else who couldn't bring their pet because she has a pet skunk. Oh. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. Never leave anyone behind. Oh, look. You see the girl in the window? What kind of pet does she have? That's right, a penguin. Do you think she'll join that club? Wow, look at all these different pets. What animals do you see? I see a giraffe, a narwhal, a hedgehog, skunk, a bat, penguin. What's this back here? Ooh, an armadillo. Those are some interesting pets. We can play here, one of our new friends says. All of us. So we paint our own sign. It says, all are welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. So now the kids from the pet club are bringing their pets here too. because that's what friends do. The end. What I loved about this story is that even if they didn't fit in the beginning, they still were able to find each other and then become friends and make new friends with other animals. So I hope you guys love that story too. And up next, we're going to sing some songs together. So I'll see you soon. Bye.